Last week we talked about some buzzwords that you may hear when you're at a listing appointment with a seller that it may indicate that you're working with an estate. And again, as I said, if you stop there without asking any follow-up questions, you really are looking for trouble. Some things you really need to ask your client is, if in fact they're not on title, who was the last person on title? And if they've passed away, when did they die? You need to know that. It may have been very recent, it may have been a long time ago, and that could have an impact on your closing. Did they probate a will? Was there a will? Was there not a will? And did they probate the will? I've had many situations where they said, yes, it was left to me by will, but in fact they never went to court and they never probated the will. Therefore, the will never really spoke, and we had a major issue on our hands. Another question, a great question to ask, is who is the estate attorney? Because a lot of times the seller may not know the answers. If you can go to the estate attorney and talk with them, you can get some good information that then you can turn around and hand to your title attorney so that you can make sure you get the right people on the contract and the right people on the listing agreement. Stay tuned next week. We're going to talk about some common myths and answer some of these questions. Have a great week.